The U.S. state of Maine on Thursday disqualified Donald Trump from the state ballot in next year's presidential primary election, becoming the second state to issue such a ban for Trump's role in the January 6th riot on the U.S. Capitol in 2021. Thursday's decision relies on a part of the Constitution that prevents insurrectionists from holding office.
All of us here today.
Maine Secretary of State Shenna Bellows concluded that Trump incited an insurrection when he spread false claims about voter fraud in the 2020 election and then urged his supporters to march on the Capitol to stop lawmakers from certifying the vote. In a 34-page ruling, Bellows said, quote, "The U.S. Constitution does not tolerate an assault on the foundations of our government." Trump is the frontrunner for the Republican presidential nomination, and his campaign said it would quickly file an appeal to what it called an atrocious decision. The former president's lawyers argued his remarks on January 6 were protected by his right to free speech. The ruling applies only to Maine's March primary election, but it could affect Trump's status for the November general election. It also adds pressure on the U.S. Supreme Court to resolve questions about Trump's eligibility nationwide to stand in elections. Colorado's top court disqualified Trump from the state primary ballot earlier this month. Trump has vowed to challenge the decision, and the Colorado Republican Party filed its own Supreme Court appeal on Wednesday. Similar attempts to disqualify Trump in other states have been rejected. Trump has been indicted in a federal case and in Georgia for his role in trying to overturn the 2020 election, but has not been charged with insurrection related to the January 6 attack.